Thank you for giving me this chance to speak about future routine. First of all, I will get up early in the morning at 6 o'clock tomorrow. Then after I will get fresh. After that I will brush the teeth. Then after I will take a bath. Then after I will take my breakfast. Then after I will go to Indo-American Institute, and after that I will meet my friends and my teachers. After that I will attend my class. Then after I will go to my home. After that I will take rest. Then after I will take lunch. Then after I will study for 2 hours. Then after I will go to market to buy some vegetables. After that I will go to I will come back to home. After that I will study again for 2 hours. After that I will take dinner. After that I will go on walk. Then after I will watch some movies or social media. Then after I go to my bed and sleep at 10 o'clock. Thank you for listening me carefully.